Hello everyone. So here is the most effective fat flush to flush and empty that very bloated big belly. You know how your belly looks so constipated and big? This helps you flush everything out. You poo everything out so you can feel more relaxed, and that helps you get your belly back as it used to be. It makes your belly much flatter. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I'll be using will be orange. So what you want to do is to wash your orange thoroughly, peel, and you are using all the fruit plus the peel because fiber helps to speed up metabolism. It helps you break up and soften your stool as well, so you can easily poo everything that is constipated, causing your belly to look so big. So this is the best. Like, oranges are so good. If you are a nursing mother, you know this is what you give your baby to ease and help the baby poop fast. So this helps you poo and flush that bloated big belly, and plus other fat burning ingredients I'll be adding to help flush and help you burn that belly fat as well. So this is your one orange. You just want to wash, slice, and voila, this is one orange. Plus the you need everything, not just the juice. The second ingredient I'll be using would be half a cucumber. Cucumbers are very good for detoxification. You want to provoke your system to easily detoxify and flush out all that food store up, causing you to have that bloated big belly. And cucumbers will help you to detox, facilitate the breakdown, and flush out of all such like food store up in your belly, making you always bloated. This is very good for detoxification. Plus, it is like 86 to 90% water based, which hydrates and support your system to break down and easily flush everything out of your system. So this is half a cucumber. You just need to get it washed. I like peeling because these regular cucumbers can, the peel are a little bit too hard for me. If it is the English cucumber, I just blend everything, but these I always peel. This way I enjoy it more like this. So these are the first two ingredients, one orange and half cucumber. The third ingredient I'll be adding in here will be lime. Limes are very good. They contain a lot of good acids your system needs. In as much as your system doesn't need bad acids from sodium, fast foods, processed foods, you need good acids in your system to help you burn such bad acids. This is depending on how you come up with the ingredients. Like, when you blend it with other ingredients, it tones down the acidity and just helps to cleanse you. So that is why you see I always add my lime in other ingredients to tone it down. So you need just one lime. You want to just peel, wash thoroughly, peel and slice into some little sizes that you can easily blend. So this is it. It will boost your metabolism, help your system to flush out excess cholesterol. Like, cholesterol doesn't like the lemons. The acidity from here breaks everything out, all the bad fats, and flush it out of your system. So these are the first ingredient, your orange, one orange, half cucumber, one lime. I'll be adding half a banana in here. Bananas are very good to bring ingredients together. This is so good, and it makes your smoothie taste so nice, so delicious. Like, you don't feel like you're actually eating some kind of fruits which are not really sweet. This banana brings in some flavor and kind of taste to your smoothie. Plus the potassium gives you energy and facilitates the detox process as well. So this is highly rich in potassium, which is very good for detox as well, and it keeps you full. Having this for breakfast keeps you full with the banana in there. Banana is so filling. So that is half a banana. I'll be adding a little bit of apple cider vinegar. That is why you see that banana is coming in here, to kind of blend everything together without you noticing any flavor from maybe the apple cider vinegar or whatever. Lime, like, the banana tones everything down. Banana is very good to add in your smoothies. It tones everything down and allows it to really taste delicious while detoxing and cleansing you. So yeah, this is apple cider vinegar, which equally helps to facilitate the detox process as well, curbs your appetite and help you burn fat. So these are my ingredients, and I'll be putting them in the blender, and I'll show you the measurement for my apple cider vinegar. So that is my lime. Remember, one lime, one orange. These are all water based, so I'm not adding water in here. You just need to use your fruits plus the little bit of apple cider vinegar, and you blend. So that is my lime, my one orange, one lime, one orange, half a cucumber, half a banana, and you want to put in one tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You don't need a lot of apple cider vinegar. Just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar does the job. Just 1 tablespoon, depending on what you're doing. But for this mixture, just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar is fine. So you want to blend, 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 blend until you get that very smooth consistency. If you notice, these are mostly fat burning ingredients in here. Ingredients that will stimulate your digestive system to easily like break all the food store up, making you bloated. Or if you're always constipated, like this is the best smoothie you want to go for. It helps you visit your restroom so fast, poo poo everything, so that fake bloated big belly goes down. You know, there are certain kinds of foods you eat, like I always talk about food. There are some foods that make you constipated, bloated. But if you have healthy smoothies like this, you will never face such issues. Most people eat a lot of fast food. They have burgers, pizzas for breakfast. Those kinds of foods cause you constipated all the time. So healthy breakfast recipes like this will help you always not face constipation or being bloated and the rest. And if you are bloated, this is the go-to. You want to have this smoothie to ease that bloated big stomach and burn fats as well, because there are fat burning ingredients in here to help you debloat and burn fat, so you can get back your regular belly or your flat belly. It helps you burn that belly fat so you can have back your flat belly, get back in shape, and most importantly, start your day with healthy breakfast recipes like not necessarily this is really good for constipation. You cannot be having this every day. This helps you burn fats, ease that constipated big belly, but you need healthy smoothies for breakfast. I've shared so many of them. This one is a little bit strong. I will not recommend you to be having daily, but I've shared so many daily smoothies you can have as breakfast. If you don't watch my videos or you are new here, I can link you up. Consume them and you will never complain of a big belly. You will always have that belly that you can flaunt confidently without feeling insecure. Yeah. Share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye. A bonne journée.